Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I wash my hair, and this method was one I learned from another YouTuber. Her name is the Chic Natural, and I'll link her YouTube channel in the description box below. I found this method to be super easy, and so I decided to share it with you guys. So I'm just going to saturate my hair completely with water, and then I'm going to go in with my shampoo, and I'm going to leave the links to everything I use in this video in the description box below. Now I'm going to go into the washing of the hair, and I like to focus more on the roots so as not to dry up my ends. So I wash my roots properly, and then when I rinse my hair out, the shampoo gets to the ends of my hair. I'll repeat this as much as I need. Since my hair is really dirty, I did this method. I washed my hair twice. Now I'm just going in with a little conditioner, and I'm just going to apply a small amount to my hair, and I'm just going to use this for ease of movement, since I'm dividing my hair into two sections. And I'm going to divide each of those two sections into 4 more sections. And I'm going to use my hairband, and I'm going to tie up each of the 4 sections and apply a generous amount of conditioner to my hair. And I do this because I go in with my white tooth comb to begin detangling my hair. Next, I'm just going to braid down my hair, and the more sections that you use, the shorter time your hair will take to dry. So in total I have 8 sections of hair, but you can use as many as you like. Now I'm just going to rinse out my hair, and I rinse it out a couple of times because the hair isn't fully tied up, so I want to make sure I get rid of all the conditioner in my hair. So I keep rinsing it out until the water runs clear. Now I'm just going to take out my hair. I'm going to be removing the hair tie, and I'm going to separate the braids with my hair, and I'm going to go in with argan oil. It's not pictured here, but I use argan oil in my hair, and I'm just going to continue with the detangling. And I find that this method is extremely helpful, especially if you want to stretch out your hair but you do not want to use heat. So I use this method if I want to put my hair in a bun, or if I want to braid my hair for beneath my wig, or anything that requires me to stretch my hair but I just don't want to use it to dry. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and also subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.